A sharp mind and pen is a simple tool for success. Whether you know who wrote this quote, kindly comment us. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Navi from penhouse.in. Today we are going to review Baoer model fountain pen. First, I'll show you the pen. Here is a pen. This overall body is made up of metal, and look at the color combination. It's black and then gold color. So today we are going to review this pen. So in this video we are going to see the overall length, weight and writing of the pen. So before going to our video, kindly subscribe to penhouse.in YouTube channel and click the bell icon so that upcoming videos will be notified to you. Let's move on to the video. So this is Baoer model fountain pen with glossy finish, black color and then golden color combination. And they didn't mention the brand name in the clip or in the band or drum rings. And it's just very plain and amazing look. It's in the top and the bottom. It's a flat finial. It looks amazing. It's an arrow clip. And this little bit tight clip, but we can insert this into the pocket. Now we'll do the construction of the pen and back to our video. Now we are going to calculate the overall length of this Baoer model fountain pen. So we are going to calculate the length by using this vernier scale. It carries 133.63 mm and is a flat finial. So we can easily calculate the length, and without cap it carries 117.46 mm. I'll calculate the grip section diameter. Carries 7.90 mm and it's 7.87 mm. Okay, now we'll calculate the overall weight. Now we are going to calculate the overall weight of this Baoer fountain pen. Calculate the weight first. It's 19 gram and this is a lightweight pen. Now I'll remove the cap and check the weight. This cap carries 6 gram. Now I'll calculate the overall body. It carries 11 gram. And screw this. Check the weight. Barrel carries 5 gram. And the snap part, including the converter, it carries 6 gram. Grip section part carries 5 gram and this converter carries under milligram. Now we'll back to our video. Now we did the construction of the pen. This is a lightweight pen with an usual length. Now we'll look into this pen. It's a snap-on cap with an amazing grip section. Yes, it's nice. Look at the color combination here. Black, gold, silver and then dual tone nib. It's silver and then gold. We have said before in the pen, in the clip or in the bottom of the pen, the band, they didn't mention the brand name, but they mentioned their brand name in the nib. It's Baoer they have mentioned, and this is a medium nib. It's a plain feed with an heart shape. It's like a breather hole. That's nice and amazing. So now we'll look into the grip section. It's a converter type ink system. This type of ink system is a versatile ink system, so we can easily refill the ink and out the ink, and we can use different colors under short timings. Now we'll do the writing sample and back to our video. Now we are going to do the writing sample of this Baoer model fountain pen. It's a snap-on cap. We are going to use penhouse.in manufactured ink. We are going to dip the ink and then rub in a cloth, and we are going to do the writing sample now. If you want to purchase these types of ink colors, link in the description, kindly see to it. First we are going to write penhouse.in, and this violet color ink. It's Baoer model fountain pen with medium nib. It's very smooth. I'll do the rubbing test. Yes, now I'll do the smoothing test. It's very smooth with amazing grip section. And there is also a lightweight pen. I'll write the alphabets. Yes, it's very smooth. I'm not making more pressure. And this is a daily usage pen. Amazing actually. The horizontal line and vertical line. Now we'll back to our video. Now we did the writing sample. It's very smooth, and we already know that it's a lightweight pen with an amazing grip section. While writing, I couldn't feel like it's writing. It's just amazing experience. Whether you want to feel the same experience, you need to buy this pen. Link in the description. We came to the end of the session. Whether Penhouse is only reviewing these types of pens and uploading the videos, not at all. We are retailers and manufacturers. We are retailing different branded pens like Lamy, Parker, Baoer, Cross, Schiffer, and Ranga, Ratnam, Pentel, all branded pens, including all the spars are available in penhouse.in like cartridges, converters, nibs. According to your pens, you can also customize the nib. In Ranga brand, you can customize the nibs like that. According to your pen, you can customize. And we are manufacturing our own branded pens like ballpoint pens, roller ball pens, fountain pens, including stylus pens, handmade pens. Nowadays, most of the manufacturers are not doing handmade pens, but in our pen house, we are doing manufacturing handmade pens, especially silver filigree pens. You can also customize your company name or brand logo in that pen. You can also customize God symbols or any of your favorite symbol in that pen, and that's an amazing thing. You can also engrave in this pen your friend's name or your children's or your neighbors, anybody's name can be customized here. You can gift this pen to someone. That will be a unique gift. While giving toys or anything, it will be very unique and very special to someone. And we are also manufacturing acrylic and MDF products like clocks, gift items, corporate gift items and short timings and affordable prices. And we are manufacturing couple trending acrylic thumbprint gift items and cups. All these things are available. If you want to know all the categories of our products, link in the description, and you want to purchase this pen, that link is also in the description. Kindly see to it. And we are also you can also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn at penhouse.in. You can purchase through online. You can directly visit our shop. It's in Tambaram, Velachery, and then Solinganallur, and we are doing online orders through across the country, like we are doing domestic. You can purchase through online. Until next time, stay tuned with us. Thanks for watching. Tada, bye bye.